mula rito kaya Radical Tio Capo to deny.
Radical really going off for that block.
He comes from Radical. And here he comes for a big shot from the main man and a proper sector. Ryan Reyes, na naman tutulog. He comes here Radical for 3. What a setup. And hindi naman sabi na niya. Big shot after big shot. Next three. Oh, shot man! What shot!
Wow! Jason Castro.
Big game. Knocked it over to base. Basket! Nasa sa mga 3-point lima. James Yap put a beat with a basket. He passed it to base.
Sa mga nakaraang komperensya, nagmisturang kawalan ng kamandan ni James Young.
Siyempre, 10 years na rin tayo dito sa liga na to. Struggle ka, okay, sige, pag-aralan mo kung ano ang kulang. Siyempre, kung nag-struggle ka, kailangan talaga ano yung mga mali, ano yung mga kulang. Wala ka lang iisipin pa na iba, kundi yung career mo talaga as a player.
Well, that's one thing about James. If you tend to forget him a little bit, he'll send a very, very strong message that he's still who he is and he's still around. It's not run through James anymore like it was in the past. The moment teams start to forget about him or start thinking he's not going to be the guy on this team, watch out, because he's going to step up, he's going to hit those big shots at big moments, and he's going to be playing the way he always plays.
James Yap turns and hits the kanya first 2 points. He's not James Yap back to back. Yes, sir! At the screen, the secret finds a way. Kicks it over to Big King. He steps up, takes that number. He grabs it! He grabs it for the lead.
Great defense by Thompson Neck, but even better offense by San Milwaukee. James Yap calm, cool, composed. Up down, that 2 points.
San Milwaukee able to hold on. Nakakuha ang 2-1 sa best of 5 series na ito.
This program is brought to you by Smart, Live More, and Phoenix Petroleum. Fuel